In this video, we are going to see how to resolve Windows apps not opening after Windows update. We are going to see 3 easy to follow methods to resolve this issue. Follow these methods carefully and in sequence. After each method, check if application is working or not. So let's get started. First method is to reset Photos application. To reset Photos application from Windows, you have to right click on the start and then click on the settings. Click on apps and then click on apps and features. Once apps and features is open, do you see this app list search box? Click on it and type Photos. Microsoft Photos will be seen in the list, and do you see this 3 dots here? Click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and in the reset, just click on Repair. Let this process complete, and once this process is complete, check if Photos application is working or not. If Photos application is not working, you can click on Reset. Just read this because this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. If you have sign in into the Photos application or something like that, if another application is there and you are resetting it, it will be signed out. So just take care of this. If you have any data, just take a backup and then click on Reset. Now the Photos application is reset. You can check if the application is working or not. If application is still not working, we have to follow another method. Now close this one and in the search box type PowerShell. You will see Windows PowerShell in the list, and right click on the Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell is open with the administrator rights, I have given a command in the description. Just copy that command and paste it into the PowerShell window. It will reinstall all the applications on your computer and then it might resolve the issue. So if you see this red errors, just ignore them, and once this process is complete, you can check if the application is working or not. If the application is not working, you have to follow another troubleshooting method. Close this one and then open any of the browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and search for this file vc_redistributable.x64. if you are having x64-bit Windows, then you can download x64. If you are having 32-bit of Windows, you can download 32-bit, but download it from the official Microsoft website like this one, learn.microsoft.com. just open it and then scroll down, click on this link here and it will take you to the files. Now this is the architecture. If you have x86, download this file. If you have x64, you can download this file. Click on this file, and once downloaded, just click on open file, agree, and then click on install. Let this process complete. Setup is successful. Close this one and close the browser. Check if the Photos application is working. If the Photos application is still not working, wait for the Microsoft to release the next update, because this is known issue. Microsoft is currently working on it. They will push to Windows update, and once you install the latest Windows updates, this application issue will be fixed. And I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye.